Ways to get rid of false accusations and steps. No matter how innocent you are, if someone makes a false accusation against you out of enmity, it is only natural that you will experience a lot of emotional distress in the initial stage. In this case, the biggest mistake that everyone makes is to run away. 99% of false cases are criminal cases. That is why we have to suffer a lot. The law is for the self-defense of the citizens. But a class of people are accustomed to harassing innocent people by using the law for their own benefit. Where the law is supposed to protect people from crime, it uses the law as a weapon to harass people and save their own interests. It is often seen that some influential bad guys make various false accusations to defeat their opponents. One of them is the land case. According to the law, the investigating officer went to the spot and conducted a preliminary investigation before the case was registered at the police station. But in reality it is not accepted in most cases. Now the question is, will you get rid of the allegation of false case? Stay mentally as calm as possible. Remember, you are innocent until proven guilty in the eyes of the law. Copy of statement. If there is a case against you in the police station, try to get a copy of the statement. Talk to a lawyer. You can surrender in the lower court and ask for bail. Surrender. If there is a case, CR case, in the court instead of a case in the police station, then the court can issue summons or issue an arrest warrant. In this case also you have to surrender and ask for bail. You can ask for bail in advance, especially in the High Court Division. Bail application. If it happens that you did not know and suddenly the police came and arrested you and took you to the police station, then you will be sent to the court within 24 hours of the arrest. Then you have to apply for bail through your lawyer. Charge sheet. Once the charge sheet has been filed, bail will have to be sought in the lower court. If there is no bail, you have to apply to the High Court in stages. You can apply for exemption from the lawsuit. If the application for exemption is rejected, you can seek redressal in the High Court. Counter-litigation. False charges are a punishable offense under Section 211 of the Penal Code. If you are found not guilty, you can file a counter case against the false accuser or the plaintiff. You can also ask for compensation. In accordance with Section 250 of the Criminal Procedure Code against all persons who bring a false complaint, compensation may be ordered to be paid to the victim in a false case. Compensation to the victim. If a police officer gives a false report in a case which is not enforceable, an order can be issued against him to pay compensation to the victim. False cases of abuse of women and children have increased a lot lately. As a result of filing fake and false cases under the Women and Child Abuse Prevention Act, besides being socially humiliated, many people are becoming destitute in order to cover the cost of the case. If you are a victim of a false case or allegation of abuse of women and children, you can get redressal by filing a written petition in the court from within the law. Section 18 of the Women and Child Abuse Suppression Act provides for imprisonment for up to 7 years for a false case or allegation. Everyone's expectation is that the law should be properly enforced against the real criminals and no innocent person should be harassed.